here in Montgomery, Alabama, and I just wanted to take this time to come outside in my little private place. Y'all know I have to establish everywhere I go sort of like my what I call my sanctuary place, or sometimes I say man cave, whatever. Just some place where you can get away and have your peaceful thoughts and what have you. So at this point, I kind of thought I wanted to come out here and talk to you in light of this being Black History Month, and the fact that we have so much going on with us as a culture, as a people. You know, there's a lot of things going on in this whole world, especially during COVID. But I decided to come out and want to say something positive to help our community come together, our families come together, and how is it that we can improve our relationships with each others. Um, it is very concerning to me that we as a people just having such a hard time sometimes coming together and trying to understand each other and trying to come together, network together, work together, and accomplish some great things. And so I thought, well, let me put a couple of nuggets out here that we might be able to share with one another, and it can help us to improve our relationships and our abilities to relate to one another. Okay, that's the same thing. I keep getting these update um, software. Oh, they want me to do install some software. I'm busy right now. Get away. Come on. Okay. So hopefully that fixed it. But anyway, broke my train of thought. So what I want to do is to share with you these nuggets. I get these different nuggets down through my lifetime experiences, and this is one that I want to share today. I'll come back and give some more. I give one at a time because, you know, just to build my repertoire of videos. Okay. And sometimes we don't have that much patience in a way. Okay, I figured out. This is something that I learned from a young lady. She was a co-worker with me, and some of you may know her. I'm just gonna call her first name. Um, no, last name. That's better. Robinson. R. Robinson. Okay. This person, I always, she taught me a lot of things. you know, just well, good teaching, empowering statements that she's given me. And this one I like to share because I've shared it with other people, and I kind of tweaked it so that it would work in different areas and different things. Okay, this one she called Honey Vinegar Honey. Okay, so whenever you're talking with someone or you have a confrontation, or if you want to write a letter concerning an issue that you don't quite know how to address it. And this has worked so well with me. I taught it to my students. She's taught it to her students, I'm sure. And it was something that I think she said that somebody taught it to her. But it was called Honey Vinegar Honey. In other words, if you had difficulty with someone, or if you had to write a letter, first of all, you want to, honey is sweet, right? Okay, so you want to be sweet. Everybody got, if you can't find something sweet about people, then that might be a sign of a problem that you have. But everybody needs to try to find something positive to say about, I don't care, anybody, anything, or whatever. Try to be a positive seeker, okay? So you start out that conversation or that letter or whatever with your sweet things, such as, let's say if you're in a relationship, male female relationship, and you're dealing with the other person and you're angry and whatever, you calm down and you go with the sweet honey. You know I love you. You know I just think you're great. This I like this about you. Blah blah blah. You just put the honey on. And tell the truth. Because if this is your sweetheart or whatever, there are some good things there. So you bring out the honey, okay? And I just respect you so much, and blah, 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 blah. Then here comes the vinegar. but there's something that I really need to talk to you about because it's really bothering me. And, I just need to be able to discuss with you. That thing you did the other day or this thing that you all the time, it really bothers me and it makes me feel this way and blah, blah, blah. That's your vinegar. You put your vinegar in there. And at the end of that, but we need to be able to communicate. We need to be able to talk. So if you don't mind, I know you, if you value our relationship, I really need you to think about this. And because I want to, here's your honey. Now you did your vinegar, right? You told them what the problem was. I really want you to consider my feelings or consider my situation or our relationship, our future, and I want to be with you, and this is really important to me. And if you really care about me, which I know you do because you've always told me that, can't we talk about this? And there's the setting for resolution. And if the other person is really a quality person and they have taken the time to sit there and listen to you, then I think you can get past that. Okay, some of our relationships are just not working these days, and even I have had to look back at relationships that I've had and have had to be able to look at that relationship and see what did I do wrong, and maybe I didn't do this. So I'm passing it on to you. You need to do the honey vinegar honey. It's working for me. Me and my baby, we've been together 7 years now. I wish that you would have 7 more blessed years, 14 more. Who knows? Maybe you'll make it to the end, which is where marriage is supposed to go. If it's a marriage relationship, if it's a friendship relationship, it still should last. When a person finds a friend, you have found a great thing. Hold on to your friends. They don't come around all the time. You got a friend, you got to hold on to them. So you can do things like this to kind of increase the longevity of that relationship. Okay? Well, that's what I want to say today. Remember, honey, vinegar, honey. Peace. Hello, family. This is Mr. E. If you would like to support the works of Mr. E or any of Ezell's productions, you may make your donations at Cash App. You will use $EKUFIE, EKUFIE, or you may make your payments through check or money order made out to Anthony Ezell or to Ezell's Productions, LLC. That address is P.O. Box 492, Jackson, Alabama, 36545. Or you may contact us at the phone number of 251-709-1123. Thank you.